Here I've got Narzo 50i Prime, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select system, which is right here. Then go to date and time, and all you have to do is to switch off automatic network provided time and set it by yourself. So from now on you can manually change date and time, so it's up to you what date and time it currently is. It's just the same with the time zone, so if you wish to change it smoothly, unmark the current one, the automatic one, and then select the one from the following list. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.